guys, I'm here in the data center today. On this floor we are doing construction and we need a comb room for our switches. So instead of making a new comb room, we have a spare rack here in the data center that we're gonna use. We see here the cablers already installed, ran the cables and put the patch panels and everything, but the only problem is when you close this door, the patch cables from the panels to the switches will not fit in here when you close the door. So what I need to do is to adjust this rack and push these poles to the back so that the switches and the patch cables can fit no problem. So I'm here at the back of the rack. I'm just gonna step in. So we see those rails up here, down here, and one at the bottom. All I have to do is tighten, or not tighten, loosen these screws, and hopefully I can push these poles to the back so I can have more space. So I need something like this because a screwdriver is very hard. It's very tough to do it with a screwdriver. This is much easier. So this is the lock. Now it's unlocked. So after I loosened all the screws, I can just push these to the back a little bit. Okay. And now we have some space. I have to make sure all of them align, the bottom and the top. And we should be good, and then I'll tighten the screws and we should be ready to. Now the patch cables, if they plug in here, the patch panel, and then to the switch, there will be some space for the door to close. Now it's all tightened up. There's this much space between them. There's this kind of measurement here. A square and a circle and a square. You can just count them and tighten the screw wherever you want and line them up. And sorry if my voice is not too loud, the AC is just above my head. And yeah, this is everything. Now I'm ready to put the switches, patch them, and get this floor connected. Thank you guys for watching.